Apple has once again refreshed its MacBook Air lineup. And while it might seem like a minor update, the M4 MacBook Air brings some significant improvements. The design remains sleek, lightweight, and ultra-portable, but under the hood, the M4 chip ensures better power efficiency, faster performance, and a seamless user experience. If you're wondering whether you should upgrade or stick to an older MacBook, let's break down what's new, what's the same, and whether it's worth your money. Design and build, familiar yet refined. At first glance, the MacBook Air M4 looks almost identical to its predecessor. The thin, lightweight aluminum unibody design remains, making it one of the best ultra-portable laptops. If you like the M2 or M3 MacBook Air, you'll feel right at home with this one. Small blue diamond weight and thickness. It still weighs around 3 pounds, 1.24 kilograms, and is just 11.3 millimeters thick, keeping it one of the thinnest laptops in the world. Small blue diamond colors. Apple offers 4 color options. Midnight Deep Blue, a standout choice. Silver, the classic Mac look. Starlight, a subtle gold tone. Space Gray, the professional's favorite. The midnight blue color is the most talked about, thanks to its stunning deep blue shade. However, fingerprint smudges are still an issue, something Apple hasn't fixed. Small blue diamond cooling system. Just like the previous MacBook Air models, there is no active cooling system here. Instead, passive cooling with thermal pads ensures heat dissipation. This means, for everyday tasks like browsing, coding, and media consumption, no heating issues. For heavy workloads like video editing or gaming, the chassis can get warm due to its metal body. Performance, the power of M4. The biggest upgrade this year is the Apple M4 chip, built on an enhanced 3nm architecture for better efficiency and performance. Small blue diamond key specs. 8-core CPU, up to 10-core for higher-end models. 10-core GPU for improved graphics performance. Neural Engine, 16-core. Faster AI processing. Supports up to 32 GB RAM. Base variant starts at 16 GB. This time, Apple ditched the 8 GB RAM option, making 16 GB the new standard. If you need more power, you can configure it up to 32 GB RAM. But be prepared to pay a premium. Performance benchmarks. How fast is it? Compared to its predecessors, M4 is 15-20% faster than M3, up to 50% faster than M2, almost twice as fast as M1. Whether you're a coder, music producer, or casual user, the M4 MacBook Air handles multitasking with ease. In Safari, we opened dozens of tabs and the system didn't slow down at all. Small blue diamond, Geekbench scores, single-core, and multi-core performance. M4 significantly outperforms M2 and M3, making it a great choice for productivity and creative work. Small blue diamond video editing and 3D work. Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere run buttery smooth. Timeline scrubbing and rendering are significantly faster compared to M2. Blender and other 3D tools can run, but it's still not a MacBook Pro replacement. Battery life, Apple's secret weapon. One of the biggest strengths of the M4 MacBook Air is battery life. Apple claims up to 20 hours of battery, and real-world usage backs this up. Small blue diamond, typical battery usage. Browsing, YouTube, and office work, 12 to 15 hours. Light photo and video editing, 8 to 10 hours. Heavy workloads, 3D work, video rendering, 5 to 7 hours. Small blue diamond, standby power efficiency. Minimal battery drain in sleep mode, almost 0% overnight. Small blue diamond charging speed, 35W versus 70W adapter. Apple includes a 35W charger in the box, but if you buy the 512 GB model, you get a 70W charger for free, online purchases only. Charging times. 0% to 50%, 30 minutes, 70W charger. 60 minutes, 35W charger. 0% to 100%, 1 hour, 20 minutes, 70W charger, 2.5 hours, 35W charger. If you want faster charging, consider buying the 70W charger separately. Gaming on MacBook Air any good? Apple's M4 GPU improves gaming performance, but native macOS gaming is still limited. White heavy checkmark games that run smoothly: Resident Evil Village, Death Stranding, No Man's Sky, Hades. Crossmark games that struggle via crossover/parallels: Cyberpunk 2077, barely playable; Hogwarts Legacy, unstable FPS; Helldivers 2, unplayable on macOS. Most AAA games require Windows emulation, which reduces FPS significantly. While FPS can reach 30 to 40, the visual quality is heavily compromised. For casual gamers, Apple Arcade and cloud gaming are better alternatives. AI and new macOS features. Apple is focusing on AI-powered tools with macOS Sequoia offering. Writing tools for content creators. Image Playground for AI-generated images. ChatGPT integration with Siri via Apple Intelligence. For writers, students, and content creators, these smart features enhance productivity. Who should buy the MacBook Air M4? White heavy checkmark, buy it if. Heavy checkmark, you need an ultra-portable, high-performance laptop. Heavy checkmark, you want long battery life and fast performance. Heavy checkmark, you work with coding, writing, or casual video editing. Crossmark, skip it if. Crossmark, you already own an M3 MacBook Air. Upgrading isn't worth it. Crossmark, you need pro-level performance for 3D rendering and serious gaming. Final verdict, worth the upgrade? The MacBook Air M4 is a solid upgrade with heavy checkmark, better performance than M3 and M2. Heavy checkmark, 16 gigabytes RAM as standard for smooth multitasking. Heavy checkmark, exceptional battery life and AI-powered macOS features. However, if you own an M3 model, the upgrades are minimal. But for M1 and Intel MacBook users, this is a fantastic upgrade. What do you think? Would you buy the MacBook Air M4? Let us know in the comments.